How to see sent friend request on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines, you'll find different options in here. Simply scroll down and you'll find Friends. Click on Friends. Then, in here at the top, click on Friend Requests. After you click on Friend Request, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then, at the bottom, you'll find an option, which is View Sent Requests. Click on View Sent Requests. Then you will find all the sent requests in here. And this is how to see sent friend request on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.